A nice potato fry, Indian style, or aloo as they call it. It's vegan, it's vegetarian, it's delicious, it's simple. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, we're gonna go straight in on this one today. So I'm using coconut oil. You can use a different oil if you want. I've got 3 tablespoons in there. I've got a teaspoon of black mustard seeds and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Medium heat, and then I've got 3 cups here of potatoes that I've just cubed up like that. You can cut it in any shape you want. Now these are raw potatoes. I just peeled them. You can parboil them if you want to kind of speed up the process. But these are raw, and we're going to go for around 4 to 5 minutes. 4 or 5 minutes, we give them a nice head start there. We're now going to add 1 cup of sliced onion. I've got some fresh chili here to taste. You can put as much or as little in as you like. We'll add some salt. And again, we're going to go for another 4 or 5 minutes. So it's really quite important not to have the heat up too high, because you're going to burn the outside of the potatoes and they're going to be raw in the center. We don't want that. Okay, we're now going to add some ginger garlic paste, about a tablespoon. That's a 50-50 mix of the two. I'm going to go for 2 more minutes. This time we're going to be stirring all the time. Really beautiful. Okay, potatoes are nice and soft now. We're now going to go with a teaspoon of turmeric and a teaspoon of chili powder. Then a little bit of green pepper or bell pepper. 1 tomato, just a kind of small tomato. And again, just 2 more minutes. And then off goes the heat. We're now going to add some coriander or cilantro, about 1/4 cup there. 1 more mix, job done. You've got a beautiful dry fry aloo or potato. Really simple, really delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.